sunlight. Let's get that vitamin D popping. Where my crystals at? Okay, so I'm headed to this Christmas celebration. I decided to say yes. So let's talk about getting triggered. So did you ever meet a man? Basically, he's a narcissist. He's controlling. He makes you feel like, you're the one in the wrong and he's always in the right, and he's always manipulating you and making you feel less than a woman. He's always criticizing you. That's a narcissist. And if you don't know, that's what it is. Sometimes you get abusive ones. Sometimes you get lying, sneaky ones. He'll always manipulate you. He'll put tracking devices on your car. He'll put tracking in your phone. He's always wanting to hold your bag and do stuff for you. But that's only, and he calls you all the time to find out where you are, because it's a part of control. So these people, they're all about control and they don't want to give up control. That's what you call a narcissist supply. So when you continue to feed it and they feel like a man, that's what makes them feel like a man, basically. When you continue to stroke their ego, because they're in the ego. So anyway, you trigger someone when you're basically high vibe. So when you're nice all the time and they take you for a fool, like people I know, basically you triggering them. So you're making them see what they're not doing and what they need to change in themselves. So it's also called mirroring. So when you mirror someone, it's like basically, like, say I'm mirroring you. So I'm basically the nice one and you want to be nice but you can't be nice, so you despise me, like you don't like me. So when someone doesn't like you for no reason, that means like they're basically jealous, and or you're basically showing them something they're supposed to change and they're not ready to change. It's all about healing. People come into your life, they're karmics. They're not the karmic. It's just like them embodying like their assignments. So we all have soul contracts that we sign before we come here, before we descend here. And this is a vessel. We come inside, we're souls. Every soul has a connection. That's why you connect with certain people, because they're part of your soul tribe. Your soul tribe is basically the people that have been sent to this earth realm, because this galaxy is huge. Earth is just a little tiny thing. Like how we have these little balls right here on my wrist, Earth is just that small. We just feel like because of gravity it feels big, but it's not. So basically we all descend here and we have a purpose. Everyone has a purpose. Some people have a purpose to make you grow. Some people have a purpose to make you change. Some people have a purpose, you're supposed to be with them. Some of y'all have missions you have to do together. That's why you'll meet someone when you're young, and that'll be that's your life partner, because that's your soul partner, your divine masculine and feminine. Your divine masculine and feminine, that y'all basically came here to do something together. Like when you see power couples, so basically y'all met up because y'all have a mission. It's not because it's your destiny. So some people are destined to be around each other. They're destined to be in each other's lives. That's why they stay together forever. You see some old people, they be together till they die because they were meant to be together. They were meant to be together. So when you trigger someone, basically is like, say you're a good mother or you're a good father and they didn't have that in their life. They don't like you because you do that, because they inside are hurting because they didn't have that. You understand? So it's not because, so y'all always fight. If you're in a relationship with them, y'all don't see eye to eye because they are still healing. They need to heal. They need to heal. So they despise you because you're a good father, you're a good mother. So like baby mothers, that term is disgusting. So like a woman that's scorned, that didn't have a man in her life, she does not like the man that's good to his child because they're not with her, because she didn't see her father with her mother showing her love when she was a child, right? So the way you're showing your child, your daughter or your son love, she doesn't like that. So she's gonna hold the child against you. She's gonna use the child as a pawn, right? Either or. The men does it too. Men trap women. That's why you should watch who you sleep with. Like people will sleep with you to have a child, basically to hold you, to like have a hold on you. That's a narcissist. They will sleep with you unprotected. They don't care. They will give you STD. They will do what they want to do just to control you, just to say like, oh, I had her, oh, I had her. Because you know why? You know why it's true? Because you have a child walking around with it, and that's bad, because now you've given that child a contract that they don't need, they didn't ask for. So they have to go out and learn those lessons that you basically, you gave to them. Like, that's not cool. So don't make kids with people just to keep them. Women and men, stop. That's disgusting. Like, please. And watch who you sleep with, because the bond that you have, sex, people use sex magic. So pay attention. When someone gives you stuff to eat, don't eat everything people give you. I don't care if you're with them or not. Watch what they're doing. Be in the kitchen when they're cooking. If they go out to buy food, you don't want it. If it's somebody in a relationship with, you don't trust them, and your gut is telling you, that's your intuition. Trust it. Stop with all these games. Y'all talking about, I didn't know he was cheating. I didn't know she was cheating. Yes, you did. Yes, you did. Because you felt it. You thought it. You felt it. You knew. Stop. So stop it. It's disgusting, and it's pointless. Like, there's a million people on earth. Don't be feeling like you have to stay with somebody just because you have kids. No, you have kids because they was probably meant to be here. That's it. They have a mission. We all have a divine purpose. We all have a mission. I have a mission to tell y'all to wake y'all up. Wake up. I have a mission to tell you, but through my experiences, I come and I tell you, so you see, like, we relate. Like, oh yeah, that happened to me. Yes, it's happening now. So don't be fooled by these people that pretend. They gaslight you, meaning like they say they love you, they love bomb you, they buy you flowers, they give you gifts, they sleep with you fast, they say like, oh, you're so sexy, you're so whatever you are, but they basically jump into bed with you quick. Those people, they're not just narcissists. They basically want control of you. They want to get you pregnant, or they want to give you an STD to hold you to them, and that's disgusting. So when you trigger someone, that's what you're doing. You're helping them to grow. And when you're getting triggered, that's showing you that you have something that you need to heal inside. So wake up, okay? Open your eyes and look around. Who's triggering me? Who's triggering? What don't I like? What makes me upset? What makes my stomach hurt? What do I feel uneasy about when I go in a room? Why do I feel so hot? Why do I feel so uncomfortable? Why do I get angry so quick? Why do I get emotional so quick? Because you have to heal. You have stuff you have to heal. Please. I keep meeting these people that's, need healing, and it's like, it's overwhelming for me. That's why I'm so emotional about it. I'm not really emotional. These are not my emotions. I'm just telling you. So like, that's why I'm basically being adamant about it. Heal. It's time to heal. So stop getting triggered. Stop being emotional. Stop having a heart over head decision. Stop making those, and basically make head over heart decisions. Like, stop being in all that emotional stuff, because your heart doesn't have a brain. Thanks for watching. All right, guys, so now let me get to my party.